Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're eating at Bacchanal Buffet, Las Vegas. And looks really awesome. Look at that huge Dungeness crab and a lot of seafood. Not a lot. And this is Thai tea I got from the drink fountain. Just look at all the seafood here. King crab leg. Huge crab, hands of crows, claws, all the seafood, oysters. Yummy, yummy. There's lobsters and cooked king crab legs, super juicy and yummy. Really sweet. And also crawfish soup or the slider. Looks really nice and presentable. This is one of the best Las Vegas buffet I've ever been to, and appreciate it for 2023. I had the chance to come back and take a look. There's a lot of people. Look at that, that's the barbecue section, just beef, and yeah, look at that, huge beef, really juicy and yummy. Palm rib, you like it, that's palm rib, and some horseradish or any condiments you like. Over here, there's already pre-cut beef, steak, and yeah, everything. Really looks really good. That's watermelon and some salad and with cheese. Vegetable is a vegetarian with a lot of choices also. And look at that, that's a veal swirl and pork and chicken. Looks really yummy and presentable. Delicious. Oh, that's turkey, huge turkey, and all the vegetables and ground beef and Italian noodles, dumplings and that's scallop and all the salad dressing and salad condiments or soup and fried rice. A lot of Italian food here. Baked chicken and meat rice, drasa cheese. Meat rice is made of pieces maybe and drasa cheese, I think. Yes. And look at that, all the tacos and hot dogs, quesadilla. Mexican food section here. Here's a drinks fountain. There's ubi, horchata, it's really good, and a mimosa, strawberry and kiwi flavor, and pineapple mango juice. And all these chips and tortilla and salsa and guacamole. Look at that food. And then go that way.
Excuse me.
Look at that. Ooh, salmon and tacos and all the fishes. And here's the Italian soup, Italian wedding soup with meatballs, Swiss chard. And here's the stuffed balls, meatball, Italian style, and pork salad. Yeah, there's a lot of people today. Always, Las Vegas is always really popular, especially these buffets. Look at all the pizza varieties, and all the salad, cheese. And here's all the vegetables and hummus, dip if you want it. Looks really nice. Over there we have more make yourself cheese or salad kind of dressings and cheese and radish. Look at all these cheese poured. So many cheese, different types.
Hey, no.
And we go to the bread section. A lot of fishes and bread. The cheese board, so many and prosciutto and everything. And this is some fish I mentioned, salmon cream. It's like ice cream, but it's in salmon. And look at all the salad again and fruit. Noodles. There's some sushi over here. Salmon and tuna and everything. There's soy sauce and wasabi packaged condiment over there. And different Asian There's fried rice and chicken, Korean chicken. There's the Korean food section. Dumplings, dim sum, Cantonese Chinese food, my favorite. I'm from Cantonese. area I got in China, so this is my favorite comfort food. And here's that frog leg that's fried, salt and pepper flavor, tastes really good. In the middle over there on the left, the salt and pepper frog leg is really good, and then all the other stuff here, all Asian side. Cantonese, Chinese, South China, Asian. Then we go back to look at those fried dumplings, spring roll, and siomai, and here we go to Asian soup station even. Asian food is really good, and look at this salmon and the egg drop soup I'm getting. Some of the condiment of like a fried onion, green onion, or cilantro. Mix all those in the egg drop soup. Tastes really good, especially if it's rainy weather. Cilantro, everything, right? And that's the wagyu. There's a lot of soup there I want to try, but I was so full. Thank you and subscribe.